Who is liable for a delivery truck accident? Well, typically it's the company that owns the vehicle because the driver is usually employed by that company. For instance, FedEx or UPS will be the entity that covers the damages in the accident. So, for instance, if a UPS or FedEx truck causes an accident, those companies have insurance policies, or they're self-insured and they pay directly out of the company for those accidents. There are other instances where you may have some issues. For instance, where there's independent contractors who are not employees of these companies. In those circumstances, there may be some tricky issues with liability, but usually if the company has the vehicle and they're holding it out as a delivery vehicle and using these independent contractors, the companies are responsible. There's other instances where there are like private drivers, for example, Amazon Flex. I'll discuss that more later, but where they're independent people who drive their own personal vehicles, yet they do it through an app where they're working for the company. So in those situations, you'd have to go through the personal policy, insurance policy of the driver, and then through the company. But I would encourage you to seek the assistance of a delivery truck accident lawyer so that you could find out how to prove liability and who's responsible for paying your damages.